Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hi guys, this is Purnima and welcome to my channel Beautification. Today I'm going to show you how to make this ice cream stick organizer. So these are the requirements that you're going to be needing to make this beautiful pen stand slash organizer. Make a note and let's get started. I'm taking colored ice cream stick, but you can also take normal uncolored ice cream stick and you can color it also as well, however you like them to color. As you can see that I'm taking 4 sticks here to make the base of my organizer, and I will take hot glue gun here. You can also use Fevicol here, and you have to just give it a little bit of time to dry, otherwise it won't be very strong. So you have to give a little bit of time to Fevicol to dry up. Otherwise, if you have glue gun, then that is the best form of glue you can use to work with ice cream sticks. So as you can see, I'm making the base of the organizer and I'm lining all the sticks together in one motion. I'm using the same color here, but it completely upon your choice. If you want to use different colors or if you want to use multicolor base, it is completely up to your choice. So once my base is made, as you can see that I have made yellow and pink color, many 4 sticks here. I've already prepped them with glue gun here. I've already added them. So I've added the first yellow color, like the 4 square, as in a different direction to give it a star like figure, as you can see, and I'm just keep alternating it. I will alternate between yellow and pink stick, as you can see, and only on the point where the sticks will touch each other I will add glue gun, so not to waste it or not to give it unfinished edges. So as you can see, I'm using a little bit of glue here and I'm putting all the sticks in zigzag manner to give it a starry like figure. I'm using the pink and yellow color combination because it looks nice, but you can use any color combination. It is completely up to your choice, or you can use just one color. It is also up to your choice, or you can also use uncolored one and keep it like that. It is completely up to your choice how you want to decorate it. So guys, this was it. This is how I decorated a very beautiful organizer. You can use it as a makeup organizer, you can also use it a pen stand, or you can also use it as to store many things. It is completely up to your choice. It is super easy to make, super fun to make, and it looks super beautiful, super colorful addition to your vanity. So guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Take care.